Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache gallery app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on Files app. After click on Files app, and click on internal storage. After click on internal storage, and you will see here, check your hidden files. After check hidden files, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on menu and click on recycle bin. After check recycle bin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.